Sanibona.
Uyaphila sis.
No, ngiyaphila kakhulu. Angixolise kakhulu. Ngisasendleleni sibuya ukuyodudula. But I hope network yami izoba stable ngizokwazi ukungizwa. Or maybe singapha
Mangobe
sethu a chance. Mhlawumbe I think I should be stationed in the next 20 minutes.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
If that's
Mangobe. Thanks a lot. Siyabonga kakhulu. Mangobe.
Sanibona bo.
Siyaphila. Ngizwa kuqala phambi kokuba siye kude. Yini igama le-organization?
March and March.
Okay, we would like to give you 10 minutes. Who is March and March? March and March yasungulwa ngobani yini umsebenzi wayo?
Ngibonge mbuzo ithuba. March and March inhlangano ukuthi yasungula a group of ama-citizens are concerned mayelana nokubona nje isimo isizwe singakhona okuningi bathi sikubheka sabona ukuthi kahle kudalwa ukuthi kukhona ama-illegal immigrants sathi sibheka sabona ukuthi imisebenzi ayikho ama-drugs i-crime eningi masibuka lento ey'tolo iy'ngane ziyashona kuningi nje esathi masikubheka sabona ukuthi no man lento ema-illegal immigrants sibuyisele emuva kunokuthi sisephambili nesikhathi la yasiphusha khona kakhulu yilesikhathi la kwakhona i-suggestion yokuthi kunyuswe i-VAT. So masithi siyabuka sabona ukuthi no but isizathu sokuthi kunyuke i-VAT doesn't make sense because yonke le mali le esetshenziswa government if ibibhekiswe kuthina as ama-South Africans kuphela ngaba sinayo le nkinga yokuthi kuthiwa i-South Africa iphelelwe imali. So sinaleyo nkinga nje and then kwasijabulisa ukuthi sihambe le ndlela masithi siyayiqala sahlangana nabantu abafana nabo-ke osizandile nabanye uzwakele nje ngoba ekhona naye besisebenza kakhulu naye i-Patriotic Alliance bakhona baningi zonke inhlangano nje engayibala ngaphandle kwe-ANC ne-EFF but bonke engicabanga ukuthi sasebenzisana nabo kuthenini si-raise ama-concerns ethu mayelana nalolu daba lama-illegal immigrants sakwazi ukuthi sisebenzisane nabo. Sisithola-ke masithi siyabheka siyavundulula siyathola ukuthi ngampela kuningi ukungcola okukhona masibheka udaba lama-illegal immigrants cause asikhulumi kuphela ngendaba yama-drugs sikhuluma ama-hijacked buildings maningi amabhilidi la eSouth Africa ikakhulukazi mawubheka la eThekwini uyabona lapha ePoint amabhilidi akhona hijackiwe abantu bayakhishwa phakathi kuhleli bona labantu ba create idleke lezi zama-drugs and so forth and then also on top of that mawubheka isimo seyikole kugcwele abantu bokufika ibhedlela imithi yashoda ibona mawubuka ama-tuck shop ingane edlengula ubona ama-tuck shop ibona kuningi nje engase ngikusho engathi kudalwe yona lento ama-illegal immigrants. So sagcina-ke sesidila nayo-ke njenge-March and March sathi sifuna ukuthi kube khona izwi lethu sizwakale njengama-citizens ngoba i-March and March yaqala ku-Facebook kahle kwabantu abathize abaningi abathi sikhathele kulokhu silwela into sikhuluma ku-social media kuphela sinesifiso sokuthi sihambe siye emgwaqeni sizwakalisa ungajabuli kwethu yaqala kanjalo-ke i-March and March. So thina-ke sakwenza nje kwacaca ukuthi asiyona inhlangano yezepolitiki kodwa sama-citizens are concerned ingakho sikwazi ukuthi noma yiphi inhlangano ethi ifuna ukusebenzisana nathi siyakwazi ukuthi sisebenzisane nayo kodwa sijabula kakhulu ngoba kukhona sibambisene kakhulu nabo ubona kahle ukuthi le nqola siyayiphusha ngoba i-intention iyodwa ukuthi ama-South Africa i-South Africa kube ama-South Africans ngoba lokho siyakubona ukuthi uhulumeni wethu usuhlehle kakhulu kuleyo data ngazi noma khona yini abantu imali abayitholayo yini for lama illegal immigrants thina singazi mhlambe sikhona esizokuthola kule ngxoxo namhlanje sizokuzwa ukuthi khona yini ngempela imali abantu beze politics abayitholayo ngelento yama illegal immigrants because ngendlela ababalwela ngayo ungaze ufunga ukuthi inkulu into esingayazi thina angaze ngibone mina ilizwe elikwazi ukuthi liprioritize abantu bangaphandle okudlula abantu balo njenge South Africa. ISouth Africa ngafika wonke umuntu nje afike ethi xenophobic uthole nama leaders akhona nayo futhi aya insist ukuthi xenophobic kanjani nibe nisibona isimo esiphila ngaphansi kwaso ibone as ama leaders kahle kahle basiqhathayo njengabantu ukuthi simele silwela ama resources lawo amancane futhi siwabonayo ukuthi aphelile awasekho kodwa fanele thina futhi siwabange lawo ama resources siwabange nabantu bokufika esingabazi ukuthi ubani bakhona bagcwele la and from ama estimations ngazi ukuthi ba abantu about 27 million from ama estimates atholakalayo kulento yelokhuzi yama tower nokuregister kwama sim 27 million iliphi ilizwe lingavuma ukuba nabantu about 27 million ekulokhu kuthiwa bazofika la bayacanasa baziwe ukuthi bawubani baphethe abanye baphethe ama fraudulent documents abanye bathatha amabhilidi bayazakhela kuthiwa balethe ingane zabo bangena ama clinic bayaphuma bayangena no I think sekuyisikhathi sokuthi siyishintshe lento so njenge March and March simile nje kuthenini angeke size sihlehla until kuze kushintshe indlela yokwenziwa ngayo ngoba ngeke size sikwazi ukuthi imali yethu sisebenzela kanzima impilo yethu nezingane zethu sisebenzela kanzima kuthiwa sizoyinikela nje kubantu bokufika ngoba kuthiwa nasema office sekuyibona sebephethe sekuyibona bashaya imithetho sekuyibona bakhipha ama South Africans kuyaqashwa nje South Africa kuqasha abantu bangaphandle akekho futhi nonendaba ukuthi ayimonitor lento lokho kuthiwa unemployment iphezulu eSouth Africa unemployment iphezulu eSouth Africa kodwa naku abantu bangaphandle baqashwa kanjani phoma ngabe unemployment iphezulu engabe imisebenzi ayikho baqashwa kanjani bona bayithola kanjani imisebenzi and that's why umsebenzi owenziwa uZandile ubaluleka ukuthi asinayo thina inkinga yosimsebenza ayikho sinenkinga yabantu abangahlonipha umthetho wase South Africa abakwaziyo ukuthi bangene bezenzele umathanda la nangu no mayor oyinkosi yomeya badlula bonke omeya la eSouth Africa futhi angikunqeni ukusho lokho umeya uNasiphi simbonile umsebenzi ayenzayo ukukhuculula isithi yaseTshwane mase sekhipha ubona ukungcola ukuthi baproduce upetrol wabo bazenzela izinto zabo enomnotho wabo bazakhela iorania yabo khona la eSouth Africa isibinde singaka kodwa thina silokhu sihleli kuthiwa thina hayi lokuthiwa sizogoqa ngomthetho wase South Africa usebenzisa kanjani umthetho ukuthi udile nabantu uprotect abantu abangohlonipha umthetho wala eSouth Africa thina silwa nalokho ukuthi ngeke sisakwazi ukuhlehla emuva ngeke futhi sisathula siyeke ukuthi abantu abathi ba ama leaders ethu basibuyisele emuva noma ngabe yiphi inhlangano leyo esitshela indaba yokuthi bona bazolwa nathi mawukuthi sisenze lento yokuleli South Africa sithi bring it on we are ready to go.
Okay, right. Sibingelele nezinye ihambeli zethu eziqeda kufika kushoda nje sokugcina uMavava Sikhakhane kube seku right. Okay. SisiZandile before sizofaka imibuzo sisizwile nge March and March SisiZandile usuyakwazi ukukhuluma. Okay.
Yes, I think it's like
right. SisiZandile uyaphila.
No ngiyaphila baba Ngobeni angibingelele naku Patriot uMncwango ngibingelele futhi no Mangobese ngibingelele ngibona no Jobe ukhona la ngibingelele futhi no Mchunu siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nibe nathi namhlanje ake ngi introduce so that kuzoba clear kuwo wonke umuntu. Igama lami nguZandile Dabula. I'm a bona fide of this country. I was born and bred in Soweto, and yes, I am a South African. Now, Operation Dudula isungulwa uZandile Dabula, Solomon Kekan, and another gentleman by the name of Robert Xaba owahamba just a few months siceda ukuyisungula iOperation Dudula. Ukusungula kwethu kweOperation Dudula sabona nje ukuthi sisenkingeni as iSouth Africa we've been sidelined, and you know, somebody needed to take a stand ukuthi nje we must fight for our own South Africans. Operation Tudula, we have you know, kubasunguli babo military veterans, abantu abahamba baya emazweni amanye bayo trainer, but what we know is that they respected all the laws of this country. Now a problem esayibona ukuthi masiloku sihamba siye ema restaurant siye indaweni sabona ukuthi abantu abasivayo akubona abantu bethu, abantu bangaphandle, yet unemployment rate ilokhu iya ngokukhuphuka, and sabona ukuthi no, something needs to be done. Siqalile ke since 2022 we had our first meetings. 2022 we then took it to the streets because sizama ukukhuluma, you know, some of our members were to ba comrade, and they used to belong to the ANC, and some used to belong to the EFF, and sizama nje ukuthi sikokote eminyangweni at different seeking for help ukuthi sisiza kanjani, because na inkinga siyayibona iyeza, si prevent kanjani from being worse, but ke sathola ukuthi you know, siya ignoriwa. But then we then started marching. Our first march was in May 2022, marching to the city of Joburg. In May at that time was Jeff. You know, we marched to Jeff, and we had, you know, a list of demands that this is how we see things. Sicela ukuthi sinisize, but Operation Tudula at that time kwakuyi civic movement before it merged to being a political party. You know, we told them we are looking at a seat, because at that time we were still in Joburg, because yasungulwa eSoweto. We're looking at a city, and siyabona ukuthi ama buildings are dilapidating, ugcwele abantu bokufika. I mean, indaba ye powder, it's too much. Emadolobheni uzothola kunobaba omdala onomkhaba omkhulu, mobheka itafula athengisa kulo linamaswiti awu5 nama chips, and that's when we started checking zonke lezi zinto ezifana nalezo. Uma uchecka uthola ukuthi ubaba omdala uthengisa powder, uthengisela ingane zethu powder. And you know, sibheka ukuthi there's people abamele ama RDP houses babo since 1996, but kunama properties are hijacked in and around ama cities, but government is doing nothing about it. And also looked at indaba ye human trafficking. I mean, yes, crime dali khona in South Africa, but crime esisibona manje, it's news to us. Asikaze saba nenkinga ye human trafficking South Africa engaka, you know, bekunokulahleka abantwana there and then, but manje it has become a norm ukuthi abantwana bayalahleka. We're looking at employment, abantu abagcwele emsebenzini nama foreigner, and you know, there's a whole list izinto esingayibala esibonayo ukuthi izinto ezisimoshela i-country yethu yile. Now ungena kule indawo abazi hijackile, indlela abayiphethe ngayo, you know, uyabona nje ukuthi umuntu nendawo akayithenganga, umuntu oyithengile indawo yakhe uyayinakekela. And you know, we stood up and we went to the city, but akakaba nenkinga. Main problem is our porous borders. We've been marching to different departments for the past 4 years. Silibele si march to different departments. One of the departments esasimarchela kuyo i-Home Affairs, ukuthi can we secure our border gates wethu, because that's where most of our problems wethu are khona. And nobody listened to us. And you know, azange saphela umoya, siloku sigcekwa, siloku sitshelwa ukuthi we are inhuman, asibathanda abantu, but iqiniso ukuthi siyabathanda laba bantu, they are our brothers and sisters. Inkinga nje sihlangabezana nayo ukuthi they are criminals, because once you jump i-border gate ungena amaphepha, it means you are a criminal, and we should treat you as such. Now we find ourselves you know, in a situation whereby we're now having to fight with law enforcers, because okwangempela if abantu bomthetho ama officials, you know, bewenza umsebenzi wabo, ngaba sikho kule nkinga esikuyo namhlanje, ngabe even i-Operation Tudula ayizange yaba khona, because masicala sasithe sifuna ukusiza, but we went to different departments amacha and nobody listened to us. Masizogcina sithi angeke sisawayenza ama march was when we marched to the president yena himself. Sibuya nje sesiyabuya, you know, with those very set of demands, but we didn't even get a response kuye. That's how arrogant our government is. But you know, for some reason, we're getting support from communities. Kuye kwaba slow nje because for the past 5 years, you know, we've been pulling very hard. Abantu bengayiboni le vision esinayo yokuthi what we want is to just prioritize South Africans in everything. We want, you know, a country, enomthetho. You know, we have the most beautiful constitution sinemithetho la eSouth Africa. Abantu nje okumele bakwenze ukulandela le mithetho le. We're sitting with a problem khona manje constitution yethu, which is you know, misinterpreted in many ways. Abantu bafuna ukusebenzisa i-constitution yethu ngendlela ezosutha bona for ubucriminality babo. Khona manje when you look at a preamble yethu, it starts from we the people of South Africa in our diversity, but nobody wants to talk about that part. Abantu bokufika mebefuna ukukhuluma nge-constitution yethu, even some South Africans who are on the side of foreigners, they would just bayithathe nje la ukuthi South Africa belongs to all who lives in it. There is nothing like that, and we must always masithola ama platforms afana nalawa siyilungise leyo, because there is no country that will draft a constitution and accommodate foreigners. That's the same reason why we have immigration laws, so that those immigration laws are supposed to protect abantu bokufika, because yes, there is no country that can work iyodwa. We need to coexist, but imithetho ye-immigration needs to be followed. Umthetho nje wokuqala we-immigration uyasho ukuthi mawuze country you must be well documented. Angisayibali-ke indaba yasemakliniki yaseyikolweni, because i-situation esifacana nayo manje yokuthi siyithola sesisemageyidini wamakliniki, and soon we will be going emageyidini wey'kolo, because nanoma ugovernment esibona ukuthi this is our aim, into esizama ukuyenza ile, they still do nothing because there is no political will to deal with this situation esikuyo. And immigration is a burning issue in this country. No matter how much one can want to ignore it, you can't ignore it, because wonke umuntu is affected by this thing, directly or indirectly. Umntwana se next door umethatha i-powder because ayistocke somewhere kuma Nigerians. It's either uzobuya atshontshe elokishini lakho, or even nakuma suburb. That's when you are affected indirectly, because lo mntwana lo akuso wakho, but uthatha i-powder, but uzo affecteka because uzogcina ayisigebengu ahamba azotshontsha lapho kwakho. So those are the challenges. We cannot have abantwana bethu not having quality education because they are overcrowded kula maklasi. Akukho normal ukuthi you'll have a class that has plus minus 60 people in one classroom, and you expect ukuthi the educator uzokwazi ukufocus kubo, abone nokuthi lo mntana lo udinga a special attention and what not. That's why manje abantwana ubheka nje, you know, sebayaphasiswa nje because abomama bayamaka nje, sebayenzela ukuthi kuphushwe nje abantwana bethu bandlule. You know, i-government yethu has failed us, and if Tina, as you know, us as communities, we are not going to stand up and make sure we put ourselves first in our country, because here we're dealing with abantu ababalekela ama problems wabo emakubo.
Okay.
Go home niyolungisa iy'nkinga zenu emakhaya la niphuma khona. Just like ubaba uChuna sebacelile ukuthi sicela ukuba ne-family meeting. That's exactly what we are saying. Sifuna ukuba ne-family meeting, silungise iy'nkinga zethu. Asikwazi ukulungisa iy'nkinga zethu sigcwele ngabantu esingabazi. Even nasekhaya la uhlala khona, makunenkinga ubaba uyacele abavakashi or abavakashi bahambe cala, then sihlale phansi siwumndeni and discuss our issues sikhona ukwa resolve. But all in all, Operation Dudula is about prioritizing South Africans. We are saying put South Africans first in everything that we do. But also I would like to acknowledge and be thankful to our organizations esihlala sisebenzisana nabo. You know, Babu Ngobane, we must be honest. We do have patriotic you know, some councillors as a sit must figure understand. And I think the city lapha at times savulelwa ama case because it de Villiers igcwele ama foreigner ngendlela exakile. And you know naye because ukuwo lo mbutho loyo angatholi support kuwo, but he's been pushing, I must say, uKhansela Sihle has been pushing with us until, you know, we start meeting with the likes of March and March. Umangobese reached out and, you know, push our programs all together, and that's the unity that we want from South Africans, because impilo esibhekane nayo inkulu kunathi sonke, ifuna idinga thina sonke. Angisabali-ke ama-member we-EFF because it looks like they are working against us. Thina City, we want to prioritize and put South Africans first. Yibo nje sobabona besilwisa sizobe bathola sebasimele emagatini and all that, and unfortunately we will not back down. Yothi saqhubeka, and if kumele ibe inkulu ukudlula lokho, we are more than ready. If kumele sivale country so that uhulumende azosiza ukuthi asisabafuni abantu bokufika, especially abangana maphepha, because when we talk about abantu bokufika, we have abantu abanamaphepha, we have abantu ekungukuthi they claim to be documented. I mean, there's a whole lot of bogus home affairs esiwathonile nathi masiloku senza ama-operations wethu, whereby ufike endaweni uthola i-room kuthiwa i-internet cafe, kodwa uma ucheck-a ukuthi kuyenzakalani la uyabona bayiprintela ama-passport, baney'tembu zama-country wonke laba bantu laba. So ubani ujika ku-border gate, ubani ongajiki ku-border gate. So there's a whole lot of corruption ekumele sidile ngayo, even kuma-officials. Iparlamente libolile ligcwele igebengu. That's another thing ekumele sidile ngayo, because they are not helping us. Instead kubenefita bona bodwa. I mean, uyabona nje abantu abanamanzi, abantu abanagesi, kodwa sinabantu abayibiza ngokuthi ama-leaders who call themselves leaders but who have lost touch with ordinary South Africans laba kumele ingabe bayabasiza. I mean, you talk about abantu abahlala ama-private homes wabo, well secured. Uma umuntu ahamba estradeni being escorted by 10 cars, and ucabanga ukuthi lowo muntu loyo would understand ukuthi umuntu or the poor of the poorest yini ama-issues awamfisa. That's why babona ngathi hayi laba bayigulela laba ayikho into abakhala ngayo, because they don't feel i-pain efilwa umuntu that's on the ground, umuntu ohamba alale angadlanga, not because uyathanda but because there's no food, akunala athola khona i-income. Umntana uyahamba esikolweni uyoze athole i-breakfast yakhe esikolweni, not because of umzali naye akafuni, but there is no employment. That's why i-crime yethu seyigcina seyikhuphuka, because abantu bethu abana plan, abasebenzi.
Okay. Usakhuluma seSuzandile? Usakhona seSuzandile? seSuzandile? Okay. Ngicabanga ukuthi i-network imphazamisile. useSuzandile Dudula.
Foreigners and South Africans, kidnapping, you know.
Okay. I-network yamphazamisa kakhulu seSuzandile.
I think i-network yami iyangilahla futhi, but I think let me pause there for now.
Okay, useSuzandile esaphozile. Right. We will then have the second round. Let's cela controlling ngcaciso about each organization. Jobe sawubona uyaphila.
Ngiyaphila Mbovu. Kuwena ngibinga nabafethu bonke abakhona nabalaleli bohlelo sanibonani.
Yeah, John. Yeah, I position ABC which I would say niyafana ne-Action SA, kukhona eseningena kwenza noma uzochaza ngepolicy kuphela organization yakho, khona eseningena kwenza ukulwisana nabantu bokufika abasezweni ngokungemthetho, and ikuphi eseningena kwenza?
Cha mhlambe Mbovu ngenxa yokudla isikhathi angiqala ngento ethi mhlambe ukuze kuzoba kulula nakubo bonke abantu abasemakhaya nabalalela ohlelweni lakho ngiyofisa ngamaZulu sifundise into ethi uma samaZulu selikhulume nje ulimi lwethu esiZulu bebele lokho okuzobe kwenza ukuthi mhlambe ngeke sibe nezinkinga ezogcina zenza abantu bengagcinanga bengazwanga kahle ukuthi la bekuthiwani ngoba impi ekhona eSouth Africa njengamanje idinga ukuthi sonke sikwazi ukubumbana mhlambe okwesibili ngingakangeni ukuthi into NBC kube into ethi kulento yabantu bokufika ukuze Mbovu sikwazi ukulwisana kahle nayo kufanele sibeke ipolitiki eceleni siyilwe sonke njengabahlali bese South Africa eqinisweni ke Mbovu mina kwi-ABC ngijutshwe nala ethiwa ngibheke khona abantu bokufika ukuthi abala eSouth Africa bakhona ngokomthetho noma ngokomthetho lukhona kuhle sesike salenza nje Mnambithi lokuqala lisitha sikhuculule sihamba nabomthetho namaphoyisa eqinisweni asibadingi abantu bokufika la eSouth Africa nabangena amaphepha isibonelo nje Mbovu uma uye eZimbabwe ngisho iclinic yakhona manje la eSouth Africa konke kumahala bakuthola kube lula kodwa Mbovu into esifundileke nesingakwazi ukuyenza ukuze sishintshe lento yami lokufika ngicabanga ukuthi abafowethu nodadewethu abasimele eParliament eCape Town into yokuqala okufuneka mfowethu beyidisclose noma beyiveze ile ukuthi abekho nabahweba emazweni angaphandle ngoba iduduli ngakwenza konke engathi ifuna ukwenza siyisupport noma sithi siyakwenza kodwa abantu abasiphethe uma bona bese namabhizinisi ngaphandle inkinga ngeke sikwazi ukuyisolve ngoba uzothi uthi uvikela abantu bokufika ukuthi abahambe bethona beqhamuka nokunye noma nomthetho ozokugoba wena ukuthi ungakwenzi lokho ngoba bona bayadla isibonelo ngenhlanhla mina kulonyaka sengihambelile iLesotho ngayihambela iMozambique ngayihambela iZimbabwe emavinja lokugcina bengiseZimbabwe eZimbabwe basebenzisa imali yase-USA eyamadola okusho ukuthi uma usuka nemali ese-South Africa uya nayo eZimbabwe ifike ibe ncane kodwa uma usuka naseZimbabwe uza nayo ngapha ifike ibe nkulu eZimbabwe kunezimayini ezimayini zaseZimbabwe ngithola ukuthi abaholi bethu bala eSouth Africa abamalungu eParliament eCape Town banamamayini eZimbabwe and iZimbabwe ize ithi thina why singafani vesithathu siyi-province yase-South Africa ngoba umnotho wethu eqhutshwe eZimbabwe uye eSouth Africa mhlambe-ke Mbovu angifisa mawuthi angibaveze ukuthi obani esinabo eSouth Africa abanezimayini koZimbabwe kuze kwavela lento kaStanley Dladla ukuthi uStanley Dladla wase-South Africa naye wadlela imishini yakhe eZimbabwe ngezathu sokuthi iqembu ebelibuso lesikhathi eSouth Africa ngesikhathi eZimbabwe kukhona iZANU PF eZimbabwe iZANU PF yayitshela ukuthi umuntu ka-ANC uma sebetsho ukuthi umuntu we-IFP eZimbabwe bamblockela bamdlela zonke izinto zakhe then umbuzo usuyetheni-ke why laba abanye bengadlelo ngicabanga ukuthi mina Mbovu as ABC into yokuqala esifuna ukudila nayo sikwazi siyilungiseke ngeyokuthi singathi siyabaxosha bokufika kodwa uma ikhanda phezulu kusenenkinga khona kofana ukuthi sithela amanzi emhlabeni wedata ngoba if umongameli wezwe enemayini eZimbabwe vele uzonima uqala uzuhlumeza eZimbabwe la uyazi nabo bazomvalela lapho ngoba imali ayithola eZimbabwe ingaphekwa lethu ngicabanga ukuthi sisenkingeni ezithini iSouth supporta kodwa ukuze sibasupporte kahle Mbovu abangathi ukusebenzisa ipolitiki noma besebenziswa abantu bepolitiki uma bona befuna ukuyenza into yabo kahle ngcono abakhande uhlaka oluthi njengo IEC uIEC monemhlangano wonke abaqembe ezepolitiki asuke emelelekile kwaIEC mhlambe nayo idudula ukuze ingagcini ilinkeka engathi neqembe elithile lezepolitiki ayibe nohlelo lalo lesihlukile lokuthi uma izoba nama program efuna ukwenza abantu bokufika kodwa ibiza umhlangano namaqembu onke akhona ezepolitiki sibe imbumbe sonke kungasetshenziswa ipolitiki ngicabanga uzoyinqoba ihlava sabantu bokufika ngoba imisebenzi abayithathayo la esinayo la South Africa nathi le abantu bethu abangenayo msakazi ngicela ukuma labo.
Siyabonga mfoka Sikhakhane bekufanele kungena uMacingwane kodwa ngizwa inzondo engathi noma inkulumo ibheke kubantu abamnyama kuphela kanti abantu bokufika esinenkinga nabo eSouth Africa nizomkhumbula umlungu okade ebulala kakhulu based east of Johannesburg uRodovan Kresha okade eqhamuka eCyprus. That's a white man akade belida kakhulu ebugebengwini obuhleliwe. And then we've got many Chinese people aba involved ebugebengwini ezweni. And then mase soba ke nabantu abamnyama and those white people Chinese and Pakistanis aba undocumented. Angizwa any of the organizations saying anything about them. And uJobe ucacisa into yohwebo. There is nothing wrong trading with other countries. Trader ukhwebelana regardless ukuthi a person can be a leader senisho ukuthi mawuzalwe eSouth Africa usuzosebenza eSouth Africa kuphela. Is that what you are saying? Macingwane mfowethu ungangena sizwe olakho uvo kulandele ubhuti Mavava mase siyabuyela ke enkulumweni yethu sizwe ukuthi uthini umthetho sisekelo wezwe njengoba silwa kanje and then sithi uMangobese uthi what is the way forward for rematch and march Zandile sisocela wena masifika kuwena usicacisele sizwe nawe ngathi kuthiwa kunephungana azi bakhomba ngala ko Zimbabwe usicacisele sibonile la kwezokuxhumana bekhaka kakhulu. What is your say on that position? Uphunhlanhla lax enanigijima naye sezothi untengisile ubuye kube nenkohlakalo yini la asike sivezeni amaqiniso and who is funding who here mfoka Macingwane.
Mbongo siyabonga kakhulu ngeplatform osinikeza yona phinde ngibingelele kakhulu kodadewethu nabafowethu abakhona lapha. Ngibonga kakhulu kumfowethu uZwakala Mncango enye insizwa zakithi esiyethembile kakhulu ikakhulukazi kule province yaKwaZulu Natal ngokuthi imkwazi ukuba iopposition outside being in opposition leyo nto leyo inkulu kakhulu iyodwa nje it shows the greatest leader bese kuphinde futhi kuzoba abafowethu abakhona lapha oJacinta weMarch uZandile Dudula umfowethu Mavava Jobe siyabonga engingakusho ke mina njengomlando wasemaqhulwini akukuningi ngizothi mina isici asinegotiate. You don't negotiate a crisis or an enemy, you decide ikakhulukazi uma ngabe ekhaya kunenkinga eserious ingane ziyakhishelwa phandle ngoba kufuneka bakhona ezingakuzwa. Sicela abantu abokufika babe khona eSouth Africa abangama ambassadors nangaba ngama tourists kuphela nama investors ngoba likhe izwe liphila ngaphandle kwabanye abantu. Lonke lokuqaba esibhekene nalo nenkinga esibhekene nayo fuck off. Wonke lo dude esibhekene nawo fuck off. Kodwa ke uma ngabe bezocasha ngokuthi kukhona abantu bukufika abazothi bangama investors belutha amability akuwona ama investors lawo. Investors are people who are bringing economy and the business to the country. And then, njengamanje, sicela nje kusala sodwa South Africa. Sicela nje umuntu nje ongokufika. Ngisho i-investor, ufika investor ahambe. Njengamanje u-Elon Musk wase South Africa. Wa-invest emhlabeni, wa-invest South Africa, wa-invest kwa-America, uhlala khona. Kodwa futhi uyakwazi ukuthi azazi ukuthi umele ini. Into ebalekile kakhulu njengamanje sibhekene nayo yileyo ukuthi si South Africa sibonakala sifana neAmerica kodwa futhi singeyona iAmerica. Njengamanje uTrump kwi-United Nations usanda kudeclare ukuthi yena ukwenze kahle ukuthi axoshe bonke abantu bokufika futhi aregulate imithetho ethinta abantu abakufika nabangama investors ngendlela eright. Ngithi ke mina nganza kwethu thina siyingane la eAfrica okwamanje abahambe bese sala sihlonza ukuthi thina simiphi sikwazi ukuya phambili. Asikwazi ukuba nenkinga zegceke sibe nenkinga zemizi yabantu nomakhelwane nabangaphandle. Njengamanje sinomongameli owikhuna bonke omongameli esangasaba nabo kulelizwe. Sidinga ukudila naleyo nkinga. Asikwazi ukudila naleyo nkinga sibe sidila nomunye umuntu. Indaba ye-EFF is dead and buried. Bese kuzothi udadewethu lo uZandile we-Operation Dudula ubeka amaphuzu abalulekile kakhulu. Ngwazwile kanye nodadewethu uMangobese engicabanga ukuthi abalulekile siwacubungule bese siwahlanganisa la hlangana khona. Bese futhi Mbomvu la uthinta khona egcineni uthi mhlawumbe khona isolekayo ukuthi nokuthi noNtata Lux kubalulekile ukuthi asiphendule lapho ngendlela siphendula ngayo. Kodwa futhi kubalulekile kwesinye isikhathi ke sifocus kwi-crisis esibhekene nayo bese siphinde sicubungule ezinye izinto ngoba ngisho ngasiphendula lezo zinto simthola ukuthi ke uyilento mhlawumbe abantu abayikhombayo noma akayiyona noma akasiyo kodwa kusalayo ukuthi yiphi inkinga sibhekene nayo. Uma ingane iphumela phandle ithi kuyasha awubuza ukuthi ubani wena ngoba isibongo uhlawuliwe noma uhlawuliwe ngaphambi kokuthi ulungiselele isimo leso. Siyacela ukuthi nawe Mbomvu kwi-platform yakho uma wacategorize imibuzo nama-topic nama-concerns yabona. Njengoba nami nginey'nwele ey'fana nama abantu abadayisa ama-chips angewona walelizwe nje abulala abantu nami ngenzeka ngothola ukuthi mhlawumbe kusasa ngiyothiwa lezi inwele azihambe ziyocwaningwa. So njengamanje mina njengomlando njengopresident of the Bhinga Nation njengomlando wasemachulwini ngithi mina umuntu ongokufika kulelizwe irregardless of what, especially laba kuthiwa amaShayina namaPakistan nalaba abantu okuthiwa amagwelekwele abahambe bonke kusale abantu abavakashile abama-tourist abasilethe nomnotho nabantu abazo-investor nama-ambassadors. 3, we only need triangle esidingayo. Uzwakele mfowethu umsebenzi wakho muhle and ngifuna ukuncoma zwakele ukuthi you are only a person okwazi ukuba i-opposition outside of governance. Leyo nto leyo mina ngifuna ukuyishayela ihlobe kuncome ngithi mfoka Mncango mfowethu umsebenzi wakho uyabonakala ulosehlathini. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Sibonge Chumile. We are not undermining any leader that is here, but as a country we also have a responsibility yokuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi kwesisuke sikwenza mawumholi kona konke sikwenza kubalekile ukuthi siholwe abantu abaqotho, abantu esizobathemba ngoba esilwa nako ukuthi sibe nabaholi abangezothembeka. Akekho umholi esim-undermineayo. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi before this particular session abanye babaholi siye sakwazi ukuxoxa nabo sasho kodwa ukuthi sizoyicela enye yencaciso. Mfoka Sikhakhane uyaphila bhuti?
Ngiyaphila Mbomvu nabafowethu ngiyabingelela nodadewethu nabo bonke abathameli balesicawu sakho ngiyabingelela.
Mfowethu usembonini sikhuluma nawe njengosomabhizinisi osembonini la right nali izwi eliphumayo eSouth Africa. Izwe lethu lixakwe abantu bokufika abangenamaphepha mvume noma bangenawo amagunya okuba kulelizwe. Ithi iAction SA eyingxenye kahulumeni yona eyakuphakamisa ukuthi yenza incomo zokuthi kunezinto lapha ya kumthetho sisekelo wezwe ekufanele zishintshwe. Kusho ukuthi umbuzo uthi ngoba esikubona manje abantu sebesukumile sebekhathele ukuhlala phansi imboni yamatekisi eye ilide kokunye noma ungakhulumeli yona ithula ithini isimo sinje ezweni. Asiniboni nosomabhizinisi kukhona enikwenzayo kulesimo. Nithini nina bosomabhizinisi? Nanka manze ngene endlini abantu bangaze babambane ngehluthu baze balwe kanti nina enabaholi abasembonini nithule. Wena mfo kaBombo.
Hayi Mbomvu ngicela nje ukukhuluma nami njengomuntu ongekho ndawo. Angikhulumi njengomuntu osembonini, angikhulumi njengomuntu osebhizinisini ngoba mangizothi ngikhuluma njengomuntu osebhizinisini kushuthi ukukhuluma kule platform mangazwelanga sekuyofuna hutshe losomabhizinisi oyimina kuthiwa hayi wakwahlasela umbuso kanti ufuna sikhuluma kuyiqiniso. Cha Mbomvu mina mfowethu engingakusho abantu bokufika la eSouth Africa bayizinhlobo eziningi ezihlukahlukene akubona abantu ababodwa futhi akukhona ukuthi abantu bokufika eSouth Africa afuna bahambe bonke. Abantu bokufika bayazazi abantu abafika beze ngento eqondile eSouth Africa abenza okuqondile. Bakhona futhi abafike ngendlela ngobusuku abenza okungekhona ababulala ke eSouth Africa yonkana. Nathi siyahweba kwezinye indawo ngaphandle bakhona abantu basemakithi abasebenzayo ngaphandle siyakusupporta lokho. Kodwa nabo ukuthi bahweba ngaphandle ngobugebengu kofuna lapha abahweba khona ngobugebengu baxoshwe babuyiswe bazobenza la ngakithi ubugebengu kuze ukuthi babulala abantu basemakuba hayi babulala abantu bokuhamba bangabazi. Mhlambe Mbomvu angibone ngathi masothi imithetho sisekelo iyoshintshwa iParliament siyobe sikhuluma iphupho siyobe sikhuluma amanga ngoba sekucacile ukuthi eSouth Africa umthetho wabe kwakhona umthetho ebekwe eSouth Africa ithi imithetho yabekwayo ayishintsheki kodwa ikhona amendwayo. Umbuzo ke mina ngiyengibe nawo ngithi hawo imithetho wathiwa ayisashintsheki wobani kufuna abashintsha imithetho wobani abayibekayo imithetho kungani kuthiwe uyaphasa ukushintshwa komthetho kodwa kuphasa ukuthi kube khona imithetho eshintshwa makubona ukuthi icindezela abantu. Mhlambe ngibona ukuthi kuyosiza ngoba phela akekho uNkulunkulu yokwehla ezulwini athi uzotakula eSouth Africa iyotakulwa yithina futhi eSouth Africa ngeke izitakulwe osopolitiki. Sesabafundisa kakhulu ukuthi siyabalalela bekhuluma into esikhohlisayo. Masizothi ke sizothembela kubona hayi mina ngibona ngathi osopolitiki bona abantu ekufunakale basifice singaphandle sihamba silungisa izwe lethu lase South Africa. Ngoba uhulumeni okhona noma uhulumeni wakwakhona umuntu obonakala ukuthi ukhuluma into ezosiza abantu bamfaka imali emlonyeni aphaphatheka umuntu acabange zonke into ezinhlange nazo noma abulawe. Manje kodwa masingakwenza sonke kanye njengoba kukhona lento ofuna mina njengami nje Mbomvu ngiyibuka ngumuntu ongeyilutho kakhulu ukuthi kungaze kuthiwe kukhuluma abantu besifazane abancane kangaka bekhuluma into ebaleke kangaka kodwa thina singabantu besilisa sithule kuphela silinda ukuthi nje makusondela ama-election sizongena kwezethu sihambe siyolalela ama-manifesto sihambe siyovota sivotele khona ukuthi sikhohliswe ngoba phela into esiyivotelayo ukuthi sikhohliswe hayi ukuthi sivotele ukuthi sisizakale sivotele ukuthi sikhohliswe nokuthi kuphusheke abantu abathile kube yibona abakhulayo nabathuthukayo abaphambili laba bantu abaphansi abasoze bakhula ngoba thina sinama favorite ethu abantu sibona ukuthi bafanelwe ukuthi babuse noma bafanelwe izinto ezinhle kumanje mawungachecka kuwononke amadolobha akhona onke amabhilidi ngeke ulifice ibhilidi lerana umuntu omnyama noma ngeke ulifice ibhilidi ligcwele abantu abamnyama kodwa hamba emjondolo eseduzane nawo amadolobha ufica abantu bakithi abamnyama begcwele khona bayamuka bayanetha bayasha nemjondolo akekho ukhuluma leyo nto kulokhu nje kuthiwa hayi ufuna ukujatshulela ukuthi hayi ke uminister othile noma emise othile uhambile lapho wayobakhaliswa abanikeza oblanket kodwa abantu bokufika banqwahe emafletini njengoba la ko point nje mina ngihlala eThekwini kunama-res ama-res ase point angikhumbuli kukhona i-res yomuntu omnyama kodwa ama-foreigner afika ngaphethe lutho kodwa la eSouth Africa afika awana uthi ipassport anayo ayirekhele yona la eSouth Africa ngoba ubudedengu obenziwa eSouth Africa ukuthi ithi yona mayifuna ukuwina ukhetho ngendlela ayifuna ukuwina ngalo ukhetho bese ifuna ukumanipulate isystem ngokuthi idedele information ka Home Affairs unikeza abantu bangaphandle sinale yonke inga vele mbomvu kumanje mhlambe ama Home Affairs asebusuku avuliwe kuprintwa yonke into njoba kukhona indawo esikuthiwena abahamba abangenawo ama-permit okuhlala la bazobuyela sebafoti babafice sebenawo ama-permit uzobusathinika ngoba uzoyibona uma uya exista ngoba i-system yase-South Africa kwanikelwa ngayo bayazika babenikela ngayo ukuthi inhloso yabo kwakuyini ithini esingazi mhlambe mangathiwa ngempela kukhulunywa indaba yokuthi wonke umuntu ake ephumele eminyango afika abone ukuthi yini eyenzakalayo yini efunakala ukuthi ivikele abantu bakithi sekwehliswe ngisho iminyaka yabantu abaqashwa eSouth Africa kuthiwa mawuna 30 above 35 ngeke uzoqashwa umbuzo engena ukuthi wani ngomuntu ono 15 years agraduate kodwa ungakaze aqashwe ndawo useze weqa kulo 35 balwa ngaphi lo muntu uyoza sebenze kunabantu abama-graduate asekuze kwa-graduate iy'ngane zabo bona belokhu ba-graduate abezela iy'ngane sezize nazo za-graduate kodwa akaze basebenze endawo kodwa labo bantu banama-ID yokuthi njengoba kuyiwa ukhethweni ngonyaka ozayo funa baphume nama-ID bahambe beyovota bovotela bona futhi abantu abazoqhubeka nokuthi basikhohlise manje inkinga yethu sikhuluma silele phansi ingcono besikhuluma sime ngeenyawo siyazazi ukuthi sifunani ngeke ngathi mina Mbomvu umbono nje wami ngathi hayi mhlawumbe into esiyosiza eSouth Africa ukuthi abantu abasha ke bebe neqembu labazolivotela elizomela bona alikho iqembu elimela abantu abasha abantu abasha bayakhohliswa nje ngoba ke sekwa wonke umuntu oyipolitician useyazi ukuthi abantu abashinda bayithanda ubumnandi bafuhlelwa nje ngobumnandi abantu abasha kushaya isikhathi sokuvota bavote kuze kuqhubeke ukuthi bona ba-enjoy into emnandi abazoyibona hayi ukuthi into ezobaphilisa kwawona ama-grant la kuthiwa banikezwa wona mina ngifuni mina ungikhombisa ungiphe amasi ngifuna ungikhombisa inkomo eyisengayo ukuthi nami ngihambe ngiyoyisengela kungani ngingavulwa amathuba emisebenzi abantu basebenze kunokuthiwa abantu banikezwa ama-grant o-350 isiwaphi kuyiwaphi nje ngayo yonke lento uqala phansi umuntu okade graduate engasebenzi uqala phansi unikezwa naye ile mali weNSFAS ngoba kufanele weNSFAS le mali abayitholayo mina mhlambe ngibuka ukuthi abafowethu ngoba bayabona ukuthi ikhona into ekufunakala ikhulunywe nesinqumo ekufunakala esithathwe ukuze kuvikeleke abantu abancane noma abantu esibazele ngoba into eyinkinga ile ukuthi singathula ukuthula kodwa kusalayo onakho uyofana nomuntu ongakaze benakho wena mhla wafa ngoba izingane zakho azazi ukuthi ifuna zibe yini, azazi ukuthi ifuna kwenzekini. Ngiyazi ukuthi njoba kukhulunywa kanje kule platform baningi abantu abazobona ukuthi ilona thuba lokuthi bayiveze ngokweposition yabo kuyipolitiki, kanti nabo benzela ukuthi sibaphushe nje banyukele itebhisini engenhla bese bekhohlwa futhi thina babone into engaphakathi. Mina ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi yini eseparliament noma iparliament le province le national, ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi abantu abangena khona bafika babhenyisweni lebenza abakhohlwe ukuthi babekhulumani nabantu.
Sibonge kuMboma. Sisuzandile. Ngizocela ukuthi before ngibuyela kubaba uMncwangu ngibuyele kuwena ngoba ubuhlushwa inetwork. Sisuzandile. Sisuzandile.
Jealousy is a funny thing. It isn't across from each other for years.
I want to value Mark.
Uhlushwa inetwork kakhulu.
Ngikhona.
Yeah. Sisuzandile. Ithema ngabe idudula yandisa icampaign yayo le yokujaha abantu kwavela indaba zokuthi hayi nanga umkhaya isijaha. Wena wangakithi wasekhaya wena. Uphuma le eBulawayo. Awusicacisele iqhamukapi le isimiye campaign nje noma kuneqiniso kune element of truth ikona.
Yabona nje into engizoyisho ukuthi emhlabeni la sinenkinga enkulu yokuthi umuntu umenza into eright sifuna ukumgxeka bese sesiyenza zona lezi zinto ezifana nabo smear campaign. Now ismear campaign lesi siqale I think it's 3 weeks now where I can safely say ukuthi EFF is behind all of this smear campaign to just discredit Operation Dudula ngomsebenzi wawo oyenzayo and nami myself as a leader. Lokhu kujwayelekile ke entweni zesipolitiki ukuthi uma ukhuluma iqiniso because lokho sikukhulumayo iqiniso akekho umuntu ongaboni ukuthi sinenkinga ye-immigration. So I become a victim because I stand firm ngithi abantu mabahambe babuyele emakhaya. So it started when Julius Malema started saying some attacks, and then that's when I thought I ngibona ukuthi okay sinenkinga entsha ke manje. And 2 days later one of the NEC member was saying nigga 7 days ukuthi he will deal with me. So iza nama threats ke futhi ilokinjalo. How mangisabheki 7 days how sengiyiZimbabwe ke manje ngizalwa kanye nalabo engithi mabahambe babuyele la baphuma khona. It will not make sense, you know, ngifuna ukusho nakubantu abake bayibelieve lonto le ukuthi I cannot be the person othi abantu mabahambe babuye emakhaya ngibe ngazi ukuthi nami ngiphuma la bephuma khona nabo angeke ngicosha abantu basekhaya. So ngokusho nje kanje fight ngazalelwa eBarakwana Hospital and you know they're more than welcome ukuyocheck ama records wami because they promised ukuthi into abazoyenza leyo. I'm still waiting nanamhlanje njengoba kuthiwa to be arrested ngikhona yonke indawo kuma match kuma clinic at times uyangithola and angithukanga mina ngisabi lutho futhi ama threats wabo nje ngithulile ngwabhekile but akekho nje umuntu ozongithulisa umlomo. Ngizohlezi ngisho ngithi until abantu bokufika bashiya in peace in this country I will not back down. Sithanda ukusebenzisana nawo wonke umuntu oyikhuluma ilanguage yethu and ngiyabonga futhi kakhulu kuye uBhuti Mavava you know mesekhulumile ukuthi sibhekiwe nje sayamantombazana amancane mele ngabe siyenzele into zethu nathi siyayijayivela intanga zethu ziyayijayivela and all that but si busy ngezinto you know it si busy with bigger things, izinto ezinkulu kunathi zokuzama ukulungisa country. And yes, we do need support kakhulu futhi, so that lempi masiyilwa united kuzoba lula ukuthi siyilwe. But all in all, mina, I'm waiting for the EFF to confirm even my nationality, and ngisalindile nje futhi ukuthi angiboshwe ngiyolala ejele ngoba nje futhi kulempi esikuyo silindele noma yini, sizofa okanye sizolala emajele, lokho sikulindele nje, and angeke size sikubalekele makufikile kodwa nje abantwana bethu angeke sibayekele basafare, because lokhu sikenzela bona, thina sizondlula sihambe, but abantu abazosafara, abantu abazosala nama president abo okonko kuzobe kuyibo, and they will be sidelined, kuzobe kuyibo ama foreigner in their own land. So we must try and prevent that from happening. I still say ukuthi asibazondi, but sizonda indlela abeyiphethe ngayo mebefika la country, i-arrogance yabo, sebefila ngathi they are too entitled, bayibona ngathi bona i-South Africa actually belongs to them, bayibona ngathi they've got all the right to be here, ingathi siyabakolota mhlambe, i-government, I always say ukuthi they must come clean, basitshela ukuthi yini abayithembisa the other countries ukuthi bazobayenzela yona, because la it's clear i-president ne-president kulamalanga ba-prioritize ama-citizens wabo. Owethu nje othi nje no masicala sithi siyasiveza ikhanda ufuna ukushaya sibisele phansi athi xenophobic, sama-vigilante, uPresident Ramaphosa uye owayenza ukuthi abantu basibuke ngenye indlela. Yes, thina we are radical, and thina kakhulu sisebenza nge-action more than talking. Asabhilivele intweni zasema-ofisini, amatafuleni. Yes, ukukhuluma kuyafuneka kodwa nje I think sesidlulile leso stage, sekudingeka ku-action-ke manje okwangempela, but ngizoyehla kancane for now.
Siyabonga. Usuzandile uthe ungokuzalwa eSoweto. So othi akasho ukuthi uvelaphi, ukushilo eqala ukuyichaza, and uthi onenkinga ofisayo ukwazi ekhaya kukuphi, uzalule kuphi, uthi iya eBaragwanath, Chrisani Baragwanath, uyochecka ama records ila ezalelwe khona. Ikhathi ke eziningi bakwethu khona nabafisa ukwazi ubabwakhe kulungile ukuthi discredit i-campaign. Let us look at the legitimacy of the campaign. We do have the problem as the country of illegal foreigners in the country. We do have a problem. Let us first admit that there is no country in the world that will allow what is happening to this country. So singashaya ngathi kwesinye isikhathi si blind, asilikhathi iqiniso silibeke eceleni, mase siyaqhubeka ke namawongo wethu eceleni, kodwa iqiniso sinenkinga. Undocumented foreign nationals, either white, Indian, black, ngeke sibe nabantu abangena amaphepha abaningi kangaka ezweni. Abanye bayazakhela ama-ID, ingane bezishona ubuthaphu zidla ama-chips okuzakhela apho. Sisuja Center sithatha usibeke nge-March and March. I-March and March ithema isisunguliweke, kubalekile ukuthi sazi ukuthi ke Nkosi yami oDanarian batholaphi, kodwa from here where to niyapi, mangabe ngelinye ilanga kunezwi eliqhamukayo lokuthi nilekelelwa kwini, niyapi. Iloko besicela ukuthi usilekelele usicacisele kona. Ngicela uvule mic yakho sesuJacinta.
Ngiyabonga. Ngibonga kakhulu. I think ngicela nje ukubuyela emuva kancane khona sizoba neclarity kancane. Ngizwe uJobe eraise ama points athize ekhuluma ngokuthi masikhuluma ngabo kufika asingakhulumi ngabamnyama kuphela. Ngiyaye ngizwe abantu abaningi beliphakamisa leliphuzo. Bese umbuzo wami uba sekutheni uma uthi illegal immigrants kukephi la ekushiwo khona ukuthi African, ngoba phela mawukhuluma ngama illegal immigrants ukhuluma ngawo wonke umuntu ola eSouth Africa ngokungemthetho. And lokho ukubona ngokuthi ngisho sihamba siya eindaweni ezithize. Ngisho nawo ama-South Africans, ngisho abe kuthiwa umnyama noma ngabe unjani, nawe siyakubuza ama-documents akho. Nawe siyakucela ukuthi uziprovide i-proof yokuthi ungubani, are you in the country legally, etc. So lena ekufanele sisuke nje kuyona ile yokuthi kwathina sisodwa silokhu sibuyiselana emuva ngokwe-language esiyisebenzisayo. And I'm very specific mangikhuluma nge-language ngoba enye yezinto ayikhulumile ukhulume ngokuthi la eSouth Africa njengoba sila kumele sikhulume isiZulu. I think enye yezinto ekumele sibe very careful ngazo lezo, because kulesi space esikusona we're gonna end up sifeeder into ama-narrative lawa abantu abathi sizothi siqede ukula nama-foreigner bese silwa sodwa sibanga ukuthi samaXhosa namaZulu nani, because that is irrelevant. It's irrespective ukuthi Xhosa, Zulu, whatever. If ungangena umuntu la kule live ethi ufuna ukukhuluma ngesiXhosa for example, or akhulume nganoma yini, uzomela simamkele lo muntu. And sometimes i-language yesingisi masiyisebenzisa, it's not ngoba sibukela phansi ubuZulu, it's because we understand ukuthi sama culture ahlukahlukene and sisuka kwindawo ehlukahlukene, but in this fight kumele sibe munye. We need to speak one language, and by that asisho ukuthi sikhuluma isingisi, cha, sisho ukuthi izinto esizishoyo kumele zihambisane sisonke. Also ngifuna ukubuyela kukubaluleka ukuthi sihlangane sibe united njengoba nje sila. Into esengiyibonile abayimasterishile abantu bokufika iyona leyo ukuthi ba united, which is one thing thina esihleshe sihlukaniswe ngayo, because ungathola ukuthi uzwakele ngobe la ngizwenza i-example ngozwakele ngoba he's one of the people engimthembayo when it comes to leadership, engazi ukuthi lento engishoyo it doesn't apply to him. Angisho kodwa ukuthi abanye bekho njalo, sengizama ukusebenzisa i-example eseduze. Uzwakele if yena ezuzwakele once ukuthi lento ibe ngaye, he will move away from ukuthi intention yokuthi silwe nabantu bokufika iyini, egcine esenaka ukuthi yena njengozwakele abongwe, apraiswe, sinake sithi awuzwakele kwaze kwa this and that. Njengoba sihlangene nje njengala, if sonke sizohlangana sifuna ukuthi si-highlight, siqhakambise ukuthi mina njengoJacinta ngaqala i-March and March, and i-March and March iyona eyenza u-ABCD, angeke size siphambili. Njengamanje Jobe ngifuna awakasekho unfortunately, ngifisa ukuthi yena athi mina njengoJobe ilento engifuna ukuyenza ukuze sinqobe lempi, sizohlangana ngokuthi senze kanje. Whether umuntu uyi-political party or whatever, at the end of the day iyodwa into esihlanganisayo kulempi ukuthi sama South Africans. Ekubeni ama South Africans sineyingane esizozishiya la, and lezi ngane esizishiyayo sizoyishiya ukuthi ibhekane nezinqumo ezathathwa yithina. Ngihlale ngisho ngithi inkinga yethu ke thina abantu sithanda kakhulu ama political parties size sikhohlwe ukuthi sidefenda into ezobuya isale nathi in the future. Ngoba njengoba somama sobaba singabazali sineyingane ekuyizona ezophila ngeenqumo ezenziwe yithina. Now ama politicians ngiyaye ngiyibuza ukuthi njengoba so persistent ekuthenini most of them sometimes they don't do what they're supposed to do because becabangela imali or whatever yanamhlanje, ukuthi what happens in the future sengasekho ke ubaba or uma or politician. And now impilo yami sibheke mina as ingane politician, and zonke lezi zinto eziyinkinga seyibuya ishaya mina, whether it's the drugs, whether it's ilento ye-service delivery, whether iy'kole lezi ey'gcwele, etc. I-future bona mabehleli, do they not see yini ukuthi the decisions that they're making right now have a huge impact on the future of this country? And that's where I want to appeal to our politicians. Now, nembeza, you know, as izinto we understand, understand because they are not within impilo yakho. But if ungakaze uye clinic because une medical aid, you can't then make the best decisions for abantu abahamba ama clinic. You need to go to the people abasebenzisa ama clinic and get the truth from them. Musa ukwenza because when you went to Nigeria and then came back namavumelana nama Nigerian ukuthi you want ukuthi protect abantu babo, they'll give you a certain amount of money, then you come back and you say isn't this ridiculous? The people that you're serving are not living the life that you are living. And masibuki South Africa, the gap between abantu abanemali nabantu abahluphekayo is huge. We've got the biggest gap between the haves and the have-nots in the world. Therefore, abantu abangenayo imali la South Africa bahluka kakhulu kulabo abanemali, because laba abanemali kubabone nawe bayawo LV baphila impilo ridiculous or private jets, but laba bahluphekayo bahlupheka kakhulu. So that's where the problem is, and one day labantu bahluphekayo will find a way of dealing with labantu abanemali in a very, very sad way, because they have nothing to lose. They really have nothing to lose. So we need to be careful ukuthi we don't isolate abantu ngalendlela ukuthi thina sibona si in leadership sitshela ukuthi we're going to be in leadership forever or sizoba kuleso simo sikusona forever. Now going back to the issue yama illegal immigrants, I've never angaze ngizwe izwe where you consistently have to explain why into wrong is wrong. The reason why kwaba khona ngisho immigration act echazayo about illegal immigrants iyona leyo yayiguide ukuthi umuntu ola eSouth Africa ngongemthetho kumele wenziwe njani, athatha deportwe kwenziwe kanje. But thina sihleli la siya negotiate nama illegal immigrants ukuthi ube kanje hayi bayekeni nkosami bayahlupheka, oh they are refugees and this and that. Kanti thina yini singanaki poverty yethu ngoba phela we are currently the country ekuthiwa is the highest with unemployment in the world. But thina sisafuna ukuthi thina scaterishele ama illegal immigrants, scaterishele even ama refugees or whoever it is from outside the world. Why sicabanga ukuthi sinawo icapacity yokwenza lokho? Why sicabanga ukuthi sinama resources ukuthi sikwenze lokho? Because asinayo leyo mali. We don't have that ability. Ama resources ayashodela thina si South Africa. Yet we want to accommodate 27 million other people. And you know, masubalalele labantu, the reason belwa kangaka ukuthi bahambe la eSouth Africa is because bayazi ukuthi bane freedom abangayithola emazweni abo. That's why ngeke beze bephindele futhi emazweni abo bayolwela izwe labo ngoba thina we made them too comfortable. Baza babona ukuthi hayi ngeke la isekhaya and thina kumele sithole impilo engcono okudlula ama South Africans, which is one thing that we need to fight for. Ngoba njengoba beqhamuka bezo replace thina ke sibuye sibuke lento njenge ethnic cleansing, where kuzoqeda yonke into euzulu, kuzoqeda yonke into this and that. Sekufanele kube khona lento ye mix yabo, lento baqalile nje kuthiwa khona ama Southgerian, lento angazi ukuthi what is a Southgerian, ama South Africans nama Nigerian kanjalo. Soon enough kuzobe sekugcwele lezo ingane more than they are isizwe esithile that is originally South African.
Namanga wena ngenda xoxa na Mzana bathi ubathatha umsimoto. Ubathatha umsimoto afakele ibhandi number 1 afakele
umuntu ebe South Africa. What happens to South Africa? What happens to the core of who we are? What happens to yonke into esiyiyo? Phekwalokho banamasonto abawa erectayo enza yonke imhlola le. Ngiyabo ama rituals esiyayiswafice enziwa ayathusa. And these are things that are supposed to be scaring us as South Africans every day. Akufana ngabe khona South African esalokhu comfortable ekuthenini yona ibone ngathi lento illegal immigration ay affect ngoba is affects us sonke, believe it or not. So as much and much we are saying ukuthi lama issues maningi kakhulu. Ngeke futhi ayikho organization la South Africa eyodwa engaqeda yonke lenkinga. There's not even one. The only way we can make this work is if all of us come together and we fight this. And we need to fight it through parliament. That's why some of our brothers and sisters abakhona la, it's appreciated ukuba khona kwabo la ngoba siyabafuna bese parliament, siyabafuna be leader benza ama decisions, because that is what we want. Sifuna abantu abama patriots lapha parliament. Asifuni ukuthi kube khona abantu abazohlala eparliament kodwa bebecabangela bona. That's why it's very important ukuthi push lama political parties nama organizations acabangela ama South Africans. So asike sibuke ngenye indlela nabavote inkosi yami for a change abakabe makancane lento ukuthi ngithanda usibanibani uma umthanda lo Sibandwane mlalela ukuthi uthini mayikhuluma ngeSouth Africa, mlalela ukuthi uthini mayikhuluma ngefuture yeSouth Africa, because yena into ezokuguide leyo ekuthenini ukwazi ukuthi mawuvota uvote kahle. Asike sime kancane ukuthi mina ngazalwa ngo1942 abantu balokhuza bafela inkululeko, because labo bantu abayifela inkululeko abasekho right now, and some of them that claim to be here are not fighting for the survival of the country. Sesidlulile kwi-history manje, we need to look forward to the future of the country and forget about yonke into that was spoken in the past. Let's focus on the future. And if leyo organization eyalelo inkululeko ngo1940 ba ithi yona izokwazi ukuthi inakekele iSouth Africa, then yes, by all means vote for them, but vote for political parties abalwelayo izwe labo kuqala. That is more important than anything. So also sesikhuluma nje as much and much kade ubuza ukuthi mhlambe what is it that we want to do going forward. Sinenkinga la yokuthi abantu bokufika they are becoming too brave. Sebeyathanda kakhulu nokusidelela in our own country. Bayathanda kakhulu nokusitshela ukuthi bona bayindawo kanjani. Asikwazi ukuthi sibe nabantu abaneleyo inkululeko kulelizwe. And it's going to take every single South African ukuthi ivuke emaqandeni. Njengoba nje nibona abantu abasho bebhizi bephuza benza ama drugs kunama weekend amakhulu kupromote iTV, ayikho nje into eTV constructive mawuthi yabuka kuhlezi kwama reality show izinto engathi shu, kodwa izinto ezibalekile. They want to make sure ukuthi asispend isikhathi enough sinake zona lezo zinto, so bazokwazi ukwenza lemkhuba le yade belokubenza all these years. So now that sesivukile amaqandeni sesinezinto esikwazi ukuzirecognize ukuthi no man, this is not right, asivuse nabanye. Akube khona ama weekend amakhulu, yes asiphiki, but balansani phela, ukwazi ukuthi ufocus kwi weekend enkulu kuphela bese ungakwazi ukubalansa phakathi kwalokho nezinto ezibalekile ezenzeka ezweni lakho. So therefore we are asking again ukuthi njengoba sesila thina sila ngoba abantu abala, I do believe ukuthi abantu ababalekile who know what they want to, who are watching because they want to be informed and they want to learn. These are the important conversations ekumele siyigxishe kubantu. Kufanele ngabe izona izinto ezidlala ku TV lezi o clean governance sibone ukuthi what are political parties doing, bobani must account, but ngeke uzuyibone lezo zinto because kunalokho imedia yethu enye inkinga ke sibhekane nayo, because we've got a problem with our media where they want to sell us izinto ezama narrative azohamba ebhebhethekisa izinto ezingazona, because siyabona nje kulokhu ukukhulunywa indaba zokuthi lezi zinto zabantu bokufika, but abayikhuluma indaba enkinga kubantu bekufika ukuthi banobugebengu labantu ba stretch ama resources kunalokho bazowenza abantu bokufika kuba ngathi bona ama victim ithina ama vigilante this and that. So it's very important ukuthi as South Africans we stand by the truth and we stand for what is right, ngoba ngisho ne media yethu yayibona ukuthi sisebenzisana nabathize ukuthi paint a certain narrative. So let us continue to fight for this country, but more than that ngoba ngisho ukuthi aspende isikhathi sethu spreada ungakhathali ukukhuluma lento ama illegal immigrants, ungakhathali ukukhuluma indaba ye corruption, ungakhathali ukukhuluma ukuthi sino president ongayinaki izinto ezibalekile la eSouth Africa. Mephume hamba la eSouth Africa, ubuya nani for South Africans? Lama business trip akhe awani, are they for him or are they for the country? Because at the moment ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi khona upresident ongathi kuthiwa kushona ingane ezu20 zibulawa ama-spaza shop, isolution yena aqhamuka nayo ukuthi azothi lawo ama-spaza shop awaregister. Aseregistiwe ke, what does it do for the children that have been killed? What are you doing about the children that have died because of ama-spaza shop? Just namhlanje kade ngifunda iarticle eshoyo ukuthi kukhona ama ring la ama Somalians okuthi wona lawa ahamba phambili when it comes to lento yelokhuza yama tax shop, but agcini lapho sebekwazi ukuthi banama billion abathola from our own governments bakwazi ukurana lama spaza shop abo. How are we giving away billions of rands to people we don't know to run a spaza shop business that doesn't benefit this country? Leo mali yapi? Also, I read another article. Ilokhuza iZimbabwe mekuthiwa bashodelwe imali, they run to this country bezowenza ama heist, and we've seen that ukuthi njalo kuhlale kwiborder kubanjwa ama explosives azowenza illegal mining, azowenza into ezithize lapha eborder. Why are we allowing Zimbabweans ukuthi babe in an
regardless sokuliphizwe, as long as we foreigner ungena eSouth Africa ngendlela esemthethweni asinankinga nawe, because we believe ukuthi countries akhandwa vele ngubambisana. So if someone is coming in the country ngendlela right, asina problem nalo muntu loyo. But Action SA where inenkinga khona, sinenkinga mbomvu nomuntu ongena eSouth Africa engenamvume aphinde ahlala khuleke engenamvume. Ingakho our fight kakhulu sibhekisa kakhulu lapha Home Affairs ku-immigration officers ngoba iqala apha indaba kwi-border management. So then i-protest yethu is around nje illegal foreigners. La asikhulumi kuphela ngoba kunale notion yokuthi makhuluma illegal foreigners ukhuluma kuphela ngabantu base-Africa. Anyone ongeyena owala South Africa ongenamvume is illegal foreigner. Simple as that. So whether you are white, you are Indian, you are colored, you are Pakistanis, you are one of the from African countries, it doesn't matter. As long as ungeyena owala South Africa, futhi ungenamvume, as Action SA we are saying, asibadinga abantu abanjengalabo in our country, because by being in South Africa, you already committing a crime ngokuthi awunamvume, because umthethosisekelo wethu uclear ukuthi uma South Africa ungenamvume usucommit crime. Yingakho ke our march ethu ehambisana nokuthi we are calling for law enforcement ukuthi cha phela ak-enforce umthetho i-constitution yethu ayikwazi ukuhlala sibukele nje ngoba there are so many implications mbomvu ukuba nabantu aba-South Africa abangenayimvume. For example mbomvu ukuba ningi kwabo in our country kudrain ama-resources ethu kanjani na labantu abacountiwe. Uzokhumbula ukuthi i-budget ye-country is done based on i-population esuke icountiwe u-state South Africa. Now ne-budget yakomasipala is done nge-population ekhona komasipala. Now umuntu o-illegal akacountwa ndawo. Now i-budget yeyibhedlela ama-clinic ney'kole is done based on i-population. Now uma usunabantu in the country abaningi abangenayo imvume yokuba sezweni, kusho ukuthi abantu abasangena eclinic noma ezikoleni awusakwazi ukubacounta. So ngamanye amazwi i-budget osuyi-allocate la isakwazi ukunela. Ingakho siba nenkinga yemithi eshodayo ey'bhedlela, ingakho siba nenkinga yey'base ey'koleni ngoba sebaningi abantu who use these facilities. Ingakho-ke mbomvu uma uzobheka i-Action SA, before even we go to parliament, we were calling for amendment to constitution. Now mbomvu ngithole nje kabi manje asayitho document yami la, I made a submission personally on behalf of Action SA kathi kuvulwe iwindi loku amend the constitution. Part of those amendments mbomvu kwakuyukuthi as Action SA we are saying ama rights to education and health awangabi nje open to everyone ngoba njengamanje constitution ithi everyone have a right to healthcare and education. We are saying i-constitution ayamendwe ilimit ama right ithi South Africans have a right to education and health. Hi everyone, because once you say everyone then it become a problem ngoba kusho ukuthi no ses country yethu illegally une right, and ama organization la mele amalungelo abantu ama ngaleyo ma clause lawo constitution kuma bill of rights. Hence as Action SA we are saying let's amend the constitution, but let's hope mbomvu ukuthi other parties will support these amendments. Unfortunately some politicians, political parties, they talk about these things during a campaign, but when kunewindi look amend the constitution angaze ngizwe some of these parties ukuthi athini ngama amendments. Mina can confirm mbomvu ukuthi we did a submission. I even received a response from a committee ukuthi they've received my submission on behalf of Action SA. So meaning I can confirm ukuthi we made a submission to amend the constitution, to amend our bill of rights, to limit our rights angabi nje extended to everyone. So ilokho ke mbomvu as Action SA esimi khona ukuthi asicwasi ukuthi akube umuntu omnyama kuphela illegal foreigner. Anyone who's in this country, they are Chinese imbovu. Ukwenza example, kune motion esiyifake kwi council last council meeting. Le motion ibithi akube ne special unit within metropolis ezobhekana ngqo nama illegal foreigners, specifically kakhulu lana ahijack amabhilidi selling ama drugs. So now uyabona ke lapho mbombo mokhuluma abantu abahijack amabhilidi, there are so many Chinese who now occupy properties eThekwini. We don't know whether they're illegal or not, but I can tell you ukuthi I suspect some of them are illegal. So meaning when you talk of illegal immigration, awukhuluma about Africans phela, ukhuluma about everyone who's here illegally. So that's why we stand in Mbombo Section SA.
Siyabonga kakhulu kubhuti uzwakele Mncwangu we-Action SA sesilahlekelwe uZandile. Mfowethu Nkwali, ngikubona ugqoke impahla ze-MK. I-MK bathe umkhulumeli wabo endabeni ze-Home Affairs uSihle Jewel Ngubane oyilunga leParliament. We cannot then be able to entertain you egameni le-MK ungeyena umkhulumeli we-MK.
Ngiyabonga bambonga, ngibonga kakhulu, ngibingelele kuba uMncwangu.
Mbonga asifaki mfowethu imibuzo la sino baba uMncwangu umkhulumeli we-Action SA, sibe no Jacinta, sibe no Zandile wedudula. Angeke njengoba ufake imfaniswana yeqembu nje sikuthatha njengomuntu weqembu mfowethu, and ubungeyona ingxenye yepanela kabi isikhathi sembuzo ungadinwa. Kusho bakufake nje ngephutha qhawe ngoba mabezofaka wena manje kusho kuzofanele sifake nabanye, kanti sicela njengamanje ama panelists enze izethulo zawo athi mayiseqedile la ke khona
sesakhokhe mafika khokha owangaphandle. But what we are saying here is healthcare should be reserved only for South Africans, especially public hospitals. The way education Mbomvu, we made the amendment I think was section 29 section 29 1 2 and 3. Now futhi ukhuluma ukuthi everyone has a right to education. So we are saying we're replacing everyone. We are saying all citizens have a right to education. No, section 26 in Mbomvu, housing nakhona uthi everyone has a right to have access to adequate housing. Again, nalapho Mbomvu, we are saying we remove everyone. Nakhona city akube ukuthi all citizens have a right to access to adequate housing, because njengamanje i-constitution iyona yenza ukuthi labantu abangaphandle nama organization akwazi ukuba defender, rightfully so, because current constitution iyabanikeza space yokubathi ba defendeke noma uthi uye enkantolo awukwazi ukuwina iback ngoba as stand i-constitution isho kunye. Yabona ngifisa ke mina Mbomvu ukuthi sathi ngathiwa ayangena amaqembu khona soza ukuthi are they supporting these amendments in parliament or not, khona sokwazi ukuthi as Action SA obani abaminathi in this fight, ngoba kusiza ukukhuluma nje for the sake of ama vote, but when you are in parliament you do opposite.
Okay.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Lebe kuyi live la bekudiscusswa khona indaba yama foreigners ukuthi kumele ahambe la South Africa. Abantu balapha kuli live akufaka phakathi uZandile Dabula, Jacinta, Ngizwe Mqunu, Mjomane, bebaningi akakhulu abantu lebelapha na nalapha participated laphana kuleya live, and they were speaking about foreigners saying ukuthi they need to vamoose or they cannot discuss and negotiate with foreigners. Foreigners needed to leave kesana and indaba yabo kade or ikhulunywa. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.